Hello everyone, my name is Jordan Santorsieri from Bixer, and if you're watching this video, it means that you want to know more about the newest SAP Critical Vulnerability CVE-2020-6287. To accommodate all audiences, I'm going to be releasing a series of videos targeting the different profiles. This first video will be more CISO oriented. On this video, I'm going to quickly explain what this vulnerability is about, the real impact, and how do you fix it. Later on, I will be launching a second video that it will be oriented towards a more technical audience. Without further ado, let's start with the size of dishes. Basically, there is a new SAP vulnerability that affects SAP Java systems starting versions 7.30 to the most modern versions. This vulnerability will allow a remote and unauthenticated attacker to, among other things, delete or create an administrator user in the affected SAP Java system. Some conditions apply, but I will explain those in our second video. This attack can be performed directly from the internet. It is extremely easy to do, and the worst part is that there are several working exploits already available. Also, it would be fair to say that it will be relatively easy to weaponize those already available POCs or exploits and convert those into something more sophisticated like a worm. How do you know if you are vulnerable, and most importantly, how you can fix this issue? Well, for the first question, you can always ask your SAP basis team to check the current versions of your SAP Java systems. You know that the ones that are 7.30 and onwards are affected by this vulnerability. Now, for the second question, how do you fix it? Well, you're in luck because SAP has released two different SAP notes that, no worries, I will leave it on the description below. The first note will be a proper fix for this vulnerability. Basically, SAP is now enforcing authentication for the component that was faulty. And the second one, in case you don't have time to apply this fix right now, will be a workaround that basically will disable the component that is vulnerable. Just be advised, you're going to lose functionality. Now, I want to recommend you to actually apply the proper fix and do it as soon as possible because, as I already mentioned before, there are POCs already in the wild and people are going to use it. Finally, if you have questions about this issue in particular and you need help of a trustworthy provider, you can always contact us at vixer.com. We will be happy to answer all the questions that you and your team might have.